So this product, hot bottom solution, is dedicated for hot repair of glass furnace. This solution is based on a self-flow concrete that has been, let's say, specifically developed to be casted in a hot temperature. And so this concrete is composed of electro-fused grain, SEFPRO grain, and the rheology is adapted to be casted in hot temperature and to cover the complete area of the bottom. As this product is applied mainly on the bottom of the furnace, it will limit the impact on the production when the furnace must be continuously operated. We target the lifetime extension around 5 to 6 years, depending on the operating condition and the thickness we will cast. So the key benefits, thanks to our core expertise we apply on the material, is to have a concrete that will sinter at lower temperature and in much less time. So we can give, let's say, to the glassmaker a shortened installation time, reduced by 3 days compared to alternative.